Daily bathing should be a relaxing and enjoyable experience. However, many people face the same issues. Insufficient storage, messy bathrooms, poor waterproofing, leaking walls, and mold growth. Difficult to clean, becoming more bothersome over time. These are the real problems caused by most shower niches on the market. Other shower niches may seem convenient, but they do not stand the test of time. A small space that cannot hold daily necessities. Rough craftsmanship that makes cleaning a burden. Monotonous design with no aesthetic appeal. It not only fails to improve life, but instead becomes a hidden danger in the bathroom. Mondeway breaks all of this. We redefine the shower niche, making storage, durability, and aesthetics essential in life. Various sizes to accommodate different bathroom spaces, whether for large families or single-person bathrooms, they can be easily accommodated. 100% waterproof craftsmanship, 15 years of durability, completely bids farewell to water leaks and mold. Rounded edges, easy to clean, keeping the bathroom tidy and fresh at all times. Minimalist modern design, perfectly fitting various styles. It is not just a storage tool, but also a piece of decorative art for the bathroom. From family to individual use, from practicality to aesthetics, Mondeway Shower Niche makes every use simple, convenient, and comfortable. It is not just a storage space, but also a detail that enhances the quality of life. Choose Mondeway Shower Niche. Choose a more beautiful bathroom, a healthier environment, a higher quality of life. Mondeway, innovative bathroom storage, leading a new experience.